We are here to show you how easy it is to ensure the safety of your smart contracts using a new tool called Certora AEV to be available soon. Bugs have terrible consequences, especially in blockchain platforms. The tool can help you ensure correctness and increase the trust in blockchain. What is AEV? AEV stands for Automatic Exact Verification. It checks all possible executions of smart contracts. But how can all executions be checked? Isn't there an infinite number of executions? There is. Therefore, Certora AEV has an algorithm to exhaustively check all executions without explicit enumeration. How does Certora AEV work? Certora AEV receives a contract, which can be written in any programming language, compiles it using standard compilers, and analyzes all executions defined by the low-level instruction code against a set of expected properties. AEV produces a report with all the properties which hold and test cases demonstrating bugs. This way, AEV provides you with definitive assurance that your contracts behave the way you intended them to behave. What properties can be checked? Let's start with an example. At any location in the contract code, the user can declare a property which must hold in all executions that reach that location. This code defines the effect of withdrawing coins. The property ensures that the balance is correctly updated whenever the withdraw function is executed. The above code violates this property, so when the property is checked, Certora AEV automatically identifies an input with the callback for which the property is violated. The developer then corrects the code by reordering the lines and then runs Certora AEV again. The tool exhaustively checks all possible executions in the corrected code and reports that the property holds. Should I always write the properties myself? No, you can also select predefined properties from a list. The list grows continuously as we add new properties based on standards and best practices from the community. The user selects a property out of a list of useful properties. For instance, this list covers common vulnerabilities in smart contracts. More information is available at www.certora.com.